Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut an instant hijab. This is a trendy hijab. The hijab I'm talking about is going to have this trimming at the tip. You can use bead. I'm going to show you different way of wearing this particular hijab and the bead design on. I'll also show you the bead design on, but here I'm using trimming design O. So this is what I'll be using for my own design. You can see it. This is a trimming. You can see. So keeping this aside, the length of the hijab, the wideness of the hijab that I'll be using here is going to be the length of the fabric, which is 59 inches. You can use any length of your choice. You can make it wider than longer than 59 to make it 65 and above, depending on how long you want this particular hijab to be and how you want to style. You can see this is 60 inches, so I'm using the whole of this length. The wideness of this is 1 yard and the centimeter is 92. This is 36.5. No, this is 1 yard plus half inch. The centimeter is 93 centimeter. You can see. So the wideness I'll be using here is going to be 30 inches. This is 30 inches for the wideness. Then the wideness of the hijab is going to be 25 inches. This is my 25 inches, and the centimeter is 64 centimeter. You can see. So I'm taking 25 inches from here. This is 25 inches with the seam allowance. This is now the length of the hijab, which is 60 inches. You can see. And the wideness is 25 inches. 25 inches. You can see 25 inches is 64 centimeters. For the 60 inches is 152 centimeters. So the next thing I'll be doing is to fold this into two. So after folding your fabric into two, you can see this is into two. The next thing you're going to do is to take the roundness of the face. You have to know the roundness of the face. So the roundness of my face here is 22 inches. Now that is 11. And this is it here. So I have to notch this area to know where to stitch. You can see. You can see it now. So the next thing, I'm going to keep this aside. The next thing is to cut the cap. The cap at the front. I will be folding this into two, then into four like this. You can see this is into four. The wideness of the cap is going to be 12, and since I'm folding this into two, you know, this is into two because what I'm cutting out is doubled. You can see it's into four, but it's doubled. I want to double the cap. So that means it's into two. I'm folding it like that. That means this is the one. This is one. This is the other. No, I'm making two. So this is into two. So the length of the cap is 6 inches. 6 inches. So with the same allowance of half inch. Half inch. You can see. The half inch is there. Then the length of the cap is going to be 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. Then from here, I'm going to make a slant line to this area. So the 4.5 inches for the length is with the same allowance. So you can see. Then Can I make it a small curve? I don't want it to be too sharp like this. You can see. You can see it now. Then I'll now cut it out. So you can see this is the center. I'm going to notch it. This is the area we're going to add our cap to. You can see. So if you want to do this, you can as well come up a little bit from this. So some people normally do this. It's not necessary, but you can as well give it a nice shape by taking a measurement of this. You can as well take it like this. So you know this is 8.4. So we come to this area and take the 8.4. This is my 8.4 here. So that means this is where the cap is going to end. Then from here you can try to make a small slant line up with with 1 inch. You can see. So I'll be slanting this to the 1 inch here. Okay, so I'll try to cut it to make it slant to that area. I'm ending it here. You can see. You can see now. This is not necessary, but when you put it, it will be fine. Just to make it firm around the face. To make this firm around the face. That's why you're cutting 1 inch out. So, and this is the area, the down part. We're going to fold all this area together like this. I'll be folding this area together using my hand needle. Then I'm going to show you everything, the way I'm going to attach this here. And if you are making use of a bead, you can use, after squeezing it together like this, like a pleat, then you band them together with the hand needle and thread. After that, you put it inside that fishy line. You can as well use normal thread and insert your bead. You can see. But here we already have our trimmings. You can use trimmings, I told you. So this is what I'm using. There's a way I'm going to finish this area to make it nice, and to the other side too. This is how it's going to be. So let me go and .3.2 inches. The wideness is 3.2 inches. Then the length is 2.7 inches. You can see. So this is what I'll be pleating this area on. finished work. You can see the way I styled it. You can see there are two ways. Let me show you how to style it. If you enjoyed this tutorial so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload any tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in my next class. Assalamu alaikum.